Yorktown schools. 4 or 5 bedroom home situated on almost a half-acre lot. Inground pool with newer gas heater. 4 bedrooms including main bedroom on upper level plus 1 bedroom/flex room on main level. Replacement windows throughout and new carpeting on upper level. Main level has easy care tile, laminate and bamboo flooring. Great room features cathedral/beamed ceiling. Living room includes gas fireplace and access door to backyard. Formal and informal dining areas. Oversized 2-car garage with service door and newer garage door opener. Water heater and water softener are rentals. Average utilities per owner: gas, $100, electric, $200.